Hey everyone, it's Anahata. How are you? Just enjoying the beautiful weather here in Southwest Florida. It's finally cooling down. Wanted to let you all know that I am hosting, starting next week, the 18th, actually I think it might be 19th, masterclass series ever of the Anahata codes. And so this is a 5-week course that once you are in, you are going to be in. It doesn't ever expire, and so you can take this over and over and over again. So hundreds of students have actually taken this course with me over the last 3 years. And actually, if you're on this watching, Judy I know has taken it several times. Aloria, I'm thinking you may have taken it at least once. Chandra is new. Yay, you can't wait. I know. Brandon, jump on in. So guys, I just wanted to do this quick Facebook Live because this masterclass is transformative. We are going to go quantum. You are not going to be the same. I will put the link in this feed if this is intriguing, but I'm literally going to take you over 5 weeks into the science behind how we carve matter into being. This is not woo-woo anymore, guys. We've got technology available now that quantifies how our thoughts become things and how everything is energy and information, and how when you can remember that you are not a victim and life is not happening to you, it's happening through you, you can begin to dissolve those limiting false beliefs which we've been bombarded with by our society, by our media, by our parents, by our ancestors, by our epigenetics, and you can start breaking free from these limiting thought patterns and emotional responses which are holding you back from your best future. And so guys, this masterclass series, we touch it all. And of course, I weave in the magnificence of you in celebrating your connectivity to all things. You're already connected to all things. And when you can view the world and the universe as part of you, nothing becomes off limits. You can tap into the essence of anything. God has given us so much. I mean, look around. And this is just the seeing, tasting, touching, smelling, feeling aspect of our world that is so magnificent. We go into the science of essential oils, of crystals, of tree energy, flower essence, totem animal medicine, sacred geometry. There are 27 categories and growing in the Anahata book of codes. And what we do is we dive into each of the categories, and what's going to happen is you are going to become an energy alchemist and a frequency alchemist, essentially. I even teach you how to program the assisting frequencies into what I call carriers. Now, these are water, crystal, oil, so that you can make tinctures, talismans, and elixirs, right, that are going to amplify the effectiveness of the Anahata codes. Now, if you're scratching your head and you're going, what the heck are you talking about? This is all French. This is why you need the masterclass in order to unlock that memory. All of my students, once I teach them how to carve matter into being through using the law of attraction of energy medicine, the Anahata codes, they transform their lives in ways they never dreamed possible. If you go to anahatamastery.com, you can register. Guys, it's just $50 per month for 6 months. So a total of $297 for a 5-week course. That's over 14 hours of personal training from me, Anahata, as I take you into aspects of science, unity, quantum space, energy medicine, the aspects of our environment. What are we ignoring? What are we leveraging? How can we use this information that we're already connected to transform our mind, body, and soul, and to literally come back into resonance with our co-creative power versus being the victim. Guys, the world is not happening to you, it's happening through you. What would happen if you remembered that we are in a grid of oscillating frequencies and that you have access to any superpower in the world? How can you activate this resonance remembrance in ways that's going to transform your wealth, your health, your joy, your passion, your purpose, every relationship that you have? The possibilities are limitless. The presentation is always on demand. So if you are watching this and you click on the anahatamastery.com page and it says there's no class right now, there's going to be very soon, because I do it every few months. And so guys, I'm starting one next week. If you want to join, jump on in. All the details are at the website www.anahatamastery.com. I'm going to put the link in this thread. But I love you all. Hi Trina, hi Chris, hi Sarah. Hey girl, I'm going to be doing your live in just a second. Hi Natalie, Courtney's in, Judy's in, Chandra's in. Yeah, so join if it intrigues you, and at least go to the page and check it out. There is a free 2-hour workshop that's going to give you a little bit of taste about what it is that I teach and how I can help you transform your life. And if that intrigues you, then join the masterclass or just sign up. As I said, once you're in, you're in. You have a pass to all upcoming presentations of this series. And this is why many of my students have taken it 18 times, right? It's always evolving. It's always new information. I always host it live, and you will have a seat after you're in the program. All right, guys, much love to you. I hope you're having a great day, and drink a long cup of lemonade and cool down. Enjoy life, savor life. Focus on the love, and it will come to you through the path of least resistance. God bless you all on your path, and thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, the center point in my heart, for all the beauty that you bring this world through your focus on unconditional love and transformation. You guys are awesome. I love you so much. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.